today I'm actually quite stoked. Actually, it's very stoked lah. Because we are going to do stickering in my client's place. Yay! We're gonna do 3 areas: balcony and the 2 kids' rooms. Actually, I am very excited lah, but you probably can't tell from my tone of voice because I am very tired. Every day I say this line, but every day it gets more tired sounding because I am very tired. So every day I have this list to check off the things that I need to settle for my clients before Chinese New Year. I am lifting my eyebrow, by the way. It's a kind of therapy. So every day I will try to check off a few items off the list, but like check already it cannot finish one. I don't know why. Help. But okay, anyway, I'm looking forward to it lah. In any case, I think after stickering, right, the areas will all look so cute, so cute, so cute, so cute, so cute. I cannot emphasize enough. But they will really look cute lah. And maybe by the end of it, I will feel less tired because of the adrenaline. But I seriously doubt so. I think I'll still be very tired. But tired and gratified. So this is what I hope to achieve. So I'll show you after it's done. It's going to be fun. I have to get over the fatigue first. Okay, today we're going to do sticker installation. I'm going to make special appearance and somebody is going to show the face. 真的今天你做明星了这个也是要做明星
我当做18了。哪来18？20刀呀，25。太白了，
很白的白叫什么？
你叫什么？
超什么？
超白啊！
还有嘞？
后面就不用讲出来了吧
？You don't get it 啊？
哇啦嘛！That's why I tell you, you young at heart. I'm old at heart.
He also very young at heart. He knows. 就 OK 啦 ，as long as 我们 follow 下面。那边是没边的，因为那个是接线 ，laminate 的接线。哇 ，this is the biggest glass of cocktail on earth 。我每次就在这个时候我们 spot 到 spelling error 每个会疯去。真的。那会joke one啦，不可能啦。 This like 刮痧 for stickers 它那个墙壁一定是很爽。
很爽。